Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 1. Work 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Tighten the ring. Slip stitch to join, then chain 2. Round 2. Work 3 double crochets in each stitch around, 10 times. Slip stitch to join, then chain 1. Round 3. 3 single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Single crochet increase, twice. Three single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Slip stitch to join, then chain 1. Round 4. For single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Two single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. For single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Slip stitch to join, then chain 1. Round 5. 5 single crochets, single crochet increase. Two single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Three single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Two single crochets, single crochet increase, twice. Five single crochets, single crochet increase. Slip stitch to join, then chain 2. Round 6. 6 half double crochets, half double crochet increase. Three half double crochets, half double crochet increase, twice. For half double crochets, half double crochet increase, twice. Three half double crochets, half double crochet increase, twice. Seven half double crochets. Slip stitch to join, then chain 2. Round 7. 7 double crochets. Sixteen double crochet increases. Treble crochet, chain 4, 3 slip stitches in second chain from hook, treble crochet. Sixteen double crochet increases. Seven double crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 1. Chain 2. Half double crochet in the same stitch. Half double crochet increase in the next stitch. Two half double crochets. Chain 2. Turn your work. Round 2. Skip the first stitch. Work 4 half double crochets. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 1. Work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Tighten the ring. Slip stitch to join, then chain 1. Rounds 2 to 9. Work 6 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 10. Work 6 single crochets. Chain 1. Slip stitch to join. Take your number 2 floral wire and insert it into the flower center. Start wrapping the wire with your chosen thread or yarn. Keep wrapping until you've covered the entire wire. This creates our flower stem. Position the wrapped wire under your crocheted flower. Apply a small amount of glue to secure the flower to the stem. Hold it in place until the glue sets. Patience is key here. Now, let's connect the flower to the stem permanently. Apply glue where the flower meets the stem. Make sure it's well secured. We want this beauty to last. For the finishing touch, continue wrapping the stem with thread or yarn if needed. When you reach the end, apply a dab of glue to secure the wrapping. Trim any excess thread or yarn for a neat finish.